Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Mailchimp to send bulk emails. First, you'll need to set up your Mailchimp account. Head over to their website and sign up for a free account, which allows you to send up to 1,000 emails to an audience of 500 contacts per month. After entering your email and business information, you'll receive a verification email. Click the link to activate your account, then complete your profile by adding your physical address, a crucial step for email marketing compliance. Next, let's build your audience and start a campaign. Navigate to the audience section and import your existing contact list, which can be done via a CSV file or by copying and pasting. Mailchimp helps you organize these contacts, allowing you to segment them into groups for more targeted messaging. Once your audience is ready, go to the Campaigns tab and click Create Campaign, then select Email and choose Regular to begin your bulk email journey. Now for the creative part, designing your email. Mailchimp offers hundreds of pre-designed templates, or you can start from scratch. Drag and drop blocks to add text, images, buttons, and social media links. Ensure your branding, like your logo and brand colors, is consistent. Remember to personalize your emails using merge tags, such as *fname* for the recipient's first name, which can significantly boost engagement rates by over 20%. Finally, it's time to review, schedule, and send your email. Always send a test email to yourself or a colleague to ensure everything looks perfect across different devices. Double-check your recipient list, subject line, and all content for any errors. Once you're confident, you have two options. Either schedule your campaign to go out at a specific date and time, or hit send to deliver your bulk email immediately to your audience. Congratulations, you've sent your first Mailchimp campaign.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.